We're unveiling the invisible technology that powers our world, tech that operates behind the scenes, yet is crucial in keeping everything running smoothly. From the infrastructure supporting the internet to the algorithms guiding our decisions, we often don't see it, but it's everywhere, making modern life possible. Let's start with something we all use daily but rarely think about: the internet. Every time you send an email, stream a video, or browse social media, you're tapping into a vast, global network of fiber optic cables and data centers. These cables, often stretching across oceans, transmit data at the speed of light, connecting every corner of the globe. But what powers this system? Data centers, massive facilities housing thousands of servers, are the backbone of the internet. These centers store and process enormous amounts of information, ensuring that you can access websites, apps, and cloud services in an instant. What's truly fascinating is how efficiently these data centers are managed. Many of them operate with the help of artificial intelligence to optimize energy use, reduce downtime, and ensure security. You might never see a data center in person, but they're the invisible engines behind every Google search, every Instagram post, and every Netflix binge. Let's shift gears to a different kind of invisible tech: algorithms. You may have heard of them, but do you know just how much they shape your daily life? Algorithms are the invisible formulas that help websites and apps decide what you see and when you see it. From social media platforms to online shopping, algorithms analyze your behavior, your likes, shares, and purchases to provide personalized recommendations. They decide which videos pop up on your YouTube feed, which products appear on your Amazon homepage, and even what news stories are featured on your social media. While these algorithms can be incredibly helpful, showing us content that's relevant to our interests, they also raise important questions. Are they making our decisions for us? Are we living in a bubble of our own preferences, never exposed to different viewpoints? It's something to think about as algorithms continue to influence our world in ways we may not even notice. But the invisible tech doesn't stop there. Have you ever wondered how your smartphone knows your location so accurately? That's thanks to GPS, the Global Positioning System. While we take it for granted when using navigation apps, GPS relies on a network of 31 satellites orbiting the Earth, constantly transmitting signals. These satellites, which are operated by the US government, are the invisible infrastructure that helps you get from point A to point B. GPS isn't just for driving directions. It's used in everything from tracking packages to sensing financial transactions, making it one of the most important technologies of our time. Speaking of infrastructure, let's talk about cloud computing. You've likely heard the term the cloud. But what is it, really? The cloud is essentially a network of servers accessed over the internet, allowing you to store, manage, and process data without needing physical hardware. When you save a photo to Google Drive, stream music from Spotify, or work on a document in Microsoft OneDrive, you're using cloud computing. The physical servers that make this possible are often housed in massive, secure facilities around the world. Yet, to the everyday user, this technology remains invisible, just a seamless experience of accessing your files anytime, anywhere. Next up, artificial intelligence, which plays a much bigger role in our daily lives than most people realize. Sure, we know AI is behind things like self-driving cars and virtual assistants, but AI is also quietly working behind the scenes in industries like finance, healthcare, and logistics. In finance, AI algorithms help detect fraudulent transactions in real time, protecting your bank account. In healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical data, helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly. In logistics, AI is optimizing supply chains, ensuring that products are delivered on time and with minimal waste. These systems are so ingrained in the fabric of modern society that we rarely stop to consider just how much AI is doing for us. There's also blockchain technology, which, while most famous for powering cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, has applications far beyond digital currency. Blockchain is a decentralized system for recording transactions, ensuring that data is secure and cannot be altered. It's invisible in the sense that you don't see it at work, but it's increasingly being used in sectors like finance, healthcare, and even voting systems to ensure transparency and security. Imagine a future where your medical records are stored on a blockchain, instantly accessible to any doctor you visit, while still remaining completely private and secure. And finally, we can't talk about invisible tech without mentioning 5G networks. 5G is the next generation of wireless technology, designed to support faster internet speeds, lower latency, and more connected devices than ever before. This technology is already being rolled out across the globe, and while you don't see it, it's enabling everything from smarter cities to more advanced industrial automation. Think about self-driving cars that can communicate with each other in real time, or surgeons performing remote surgeries using robotic tools. 5G is the invisible tech that will make these advancements possible. So, what does all this mean for the future? As invisible technologies continue to evolve, they'll further integrate into our lives, making things faster, smarter, and more efficient. We may not always see them, but they're powering our world in ways we couldn't imagine living without. And while these technologies often operate in the background, their impact is undeniably front and center, shaping the way we live, work, and connect with each other. The invisible tech around us is the engine that drives our modern society. It's easy to overlook, but without it, our world would be a very different place. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in technology.